December 9th, 2022, Victron training, Nomadic Cooling HQ3, Glendale, Arizona. Behind the scenes tour of Nomadic Cooling. Amy picked out all the accoutrements in here. I can't take credit for any of them. This is the bullpen, we call it, where all the big thinking goes on. Right over here is our packaging and shipping department. Inside all of the cabinets here, going all the way down, our beautiful Victron products. If I go ahead and open it up, everything is in there. It actually has a second barcode on it. The way it works is when you make a purchase, it gets scanned out of here with these. We have 2 of them, mobile, so they're super fast. They get scanned out to make sure that everything that you order actually ends up inside the box. Back over here is basically air conditioners that we've had sitting back here that probably got damaged in shipping or got returned in shipping, lost in shipping. They come back here, they get processed and sent out. We're so busy, they don't actually get processed very fast. And so they've just actually been sitting there probably since the last walk and talk video. Right behind me, we do actually have the sound stage that you typically see where we film Nomadic Cooling videos on. On camera, it looks much bigger than it is in real life. We have rows and rows of Victron and Nomadic products right here. We have all the Victron inverters, Victron batteries, 200s, 330s in stock, ready to rock. We also have my favorite devices, which we're selling a lot of right now, is the power crimpers. If you're a business that's crimping lots, you may want to take a look at that. Oh, Kenny, I have one right here. Let me grab this. I think these things are just the best things in the world. So look at this, if you're cutting 4/0, that's the guy you need. More power. If you're crimping 4/0, this is the guy that does it. So go over to Nomadic Cooling and buy those. We have rows of wire that come in these huge looms. We stick it over there. As you may have known in our electrical kit videos, we just started sending out wire with the kit. It was a big decision, primarily because I'm just a little bit lazy, but people keep asking for it, so now we have wire going out if you so choose to get it with your electrical package. We have the Nomadic Cooling 3000 sitting up here. We have the brand new Indel B 12 volt air conditioner that does sit in a 14x14 opening. Brand new to the market, super excited to be the first business to have it. We just filmed an unboxing. I don't know if it's out yet, but it will be out shortly. As you know, we don't actually work on vans at Nomadic Cooling and we don't do installs anymore. But if you take a little gander around, we typically have at least 2 containers at any one time of Nomadic RTX 2000s in stock. We have all the CFX boxes in stock at all time. We do our tinkering around here, but if you come back a little bit further, this was the van that was at SEMA 2022. Back into our packaging and receiving office, which is what I like to call Isaiah's den of madness. Okay, and by madness, it is not madness, it is pure beauty. This whole room in here is pretty much almost always all Nomadic Cooling, 3000s and 2000s. We do have right now a little bit of overstock of Nomadic refrigerators in here at this moment. On busy days, we do use the 2 forklifts. And right over here is where Isaiah's command center is. He takes pictures of all the air conditioners, testing videos, uploads them to the cloud and sends those to the customer so the customer can see their air conditioner working before it gets shipped out to them. So Isaiah's in charge of all that. He's also in charge of putting all the do not stack, do not break, do not put a forklift on top of our air conditioners. What other stickers do we put on there? Fragile, we put the fragile stickers on there. Packed with love, very important to put on. We have Brandon over here. I don't know if Brandon's shy of the camera. No?
Good morning.
Oh, I just showed him your whole room over there. Yeah, and your clickers and how you click things in and out. Whole new process. And is it making sure that we don't miss anything?
Right, yeah. Yeah, because it shows us when we scan the wrong product, so we make sure we don't package the wrong product.
And we package the right ones.
Correct.
There you go. Progress, some would say. This is the way the Nomadic Cooling air conditioner goes out to you. There's 3 of them stacked right here. Who are these going to? These are going to field vans in California, Fresno, I believe. And so they're packed up just like this. You'll notice that we put the same packing sticker all the way around here. We put the name of the air conditioner, right here. This is a black 3012 volt. We have the what are these things called? QR code right here. We have the unit number, who's it going to, with the Nomadic Cooling logo. That's on every box so that we know that it's made specifically for the customer, and to make sure that when the customer receives it, it looks just like this. We'll go around. I don't think we normally go all the way through this room as well, but we have a beautiful puppy down here, okay? A little bit of a troublemaker, I'm not gonna lie to you, okay? But she's actually from Barb's Dog Rescue in Puerto Penasco, Mexico. We just did a nice video for Barb, but if you're interested in getting a puppy to be your road dog, you should check out Barb's Dog Rescue. We love them. This is the dungeon. This is where Kenny spends hours and hours looking at my face, and some days he comes in looking disgusted at me because he's spent so much time listening to me. We have the kitchen, the break room area, the conference room, and then we also have behind us what I like to call the TV room. If you want to come in and watch TV, you can't nap here. After we do the Victron in-service training, we will come back to you with all of the great knowledge that we've learned. I'm sure we've been doing a lot of things wrong, I would guess. I'd make the assumption we have been. Hopefully they'll educate us, re-educate us, and train us to be even better at lithium technology than we were beforehand. Guys, if you want to go further in comfort with cold air technology with beautiful blue batteries inside your overland rig, go to nomadiccooling.com today. Let's go further.